Hi everybody, thanks for watching me. Today we will talk about Python. Python is a widely used high-level programming language for general-purpose programming, created by Guido van Rossem and Phil Rollins in 1999. Python features a dynamic type system and automatic memory management, and support multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, imperative, functional programming, and procedural style. It has a large and comprehensive standard library. Two major versions of Python are currently in active use. Python 3.9 is the current version and is under active development. Python 2.7 is the legacy version and was received only security update until 2020. No new feature was implemented. Note that many projects still use Python 2, although migrating to Python 3 is getting easier. You can download and install either version of Python in www.python.org/downloads. You can see Python 3 versus Python 2 for a comparison between them. In addition, some third-party offer repackaged versions of Python that add commonly used library and other features to ease setup for common use cases, such as math, data analysis, or scientific use. You can see the list at the official site in www.python.org/download/alternatives. I'm so glad you have taken the time to watch this video. Maybe you will need to install Python on macOS. I will put a link to that video in the video description. For now, keep your learning with this video and don't forget to subscribe with notification on. I love being your Python teacher. That's it, and thanks so much for using Masterisela.